Hey there, aspiring investors. Welcome to our channel, where we believe that everyone can build wealth through smart investing. Today, we have something special for you. Investing 101, a beginner's guide to building wealth. And I'm excited to take you on this journey towards financial success. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. Now, let's get started. Chapter 1: Why Investing Matters. Why is investing so crucial for building wealth? Well, the answer lies in the power of compound interest. By investing your money, you let it grow over time, earning returns on both your initial investment and the accumulated earnings. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to work for you. Now, I know some of you might be hesitant, thinking investing is too complicated or risky. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we'll walk you through the basics, step by step. Chapter 2: Setting Financial Goals. Set clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve with my investments? It could be saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding your dream vacation. Defining your objectives will help you choose the right investment strategies. And remember, investing is a long-term game. Avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Stay focused on your goals. Chapter 3: Understanding Risk and Return. All investments carry some level of risk, but they also offer potential returns. Generally, higher-risk investments have the potential for higher returns, while lower-risk investments may have more modest gains. It's essential to find the right balance that aligns with your risk tolerance and goals. Diversification. Spreading your investments across different assets can help mitigate risk. Chapter 4: Investment Options. Explore investment options. There are various ways to invest, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and more. Each has its pros and cons, so it's crucial to do your research and choose what suits you best. Don't be overwhelmed. Start small and learn as you go. You don't need a massive sum to begin investing. Consistency is key. Chapter 5: The Power of Compound Interest. Let's say you invest $1,000 and earn a 7% return annually. After 1 year, you'll have $1,070. The next year, you'll earn 7% on $1,070, not just the original $1,000. Over time, this snowball effect can significantly boost your wealth. So, start early, stay consistent, and let compound interest work its magic. Chapter 6: Avoid common investing mistakes. Don't chase quick profits or follow investment fads. Instead, focus on long-term strategies aligned with your goals. Stay patient and stay informed. Keep learning about the markets and your investments. Remember, knowledge is your best ally in the investing world. Chapter 7: Seeking Professional Advice. If you're unsure about investing, a certified financial advisor can provide personalized guidance based on your circumstances. Be wary of get-rich-quick schemes or anyone promising unrealistic returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Chapter 8: Start investing today. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of the fundamentals of investing. Remember, building wealth takes time and discipline, but the rewards are worth it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy investing!